Most beginners lose money before the market even opens, not because of bad trades, but because they start the day confused, emotional, and unprepared. Today, I will show you my exact pre market routine step by step, beginner friendly, no indicators, no noise. This routine won't make you rich overnight, but it will stop you from making stupid mistakes. Trading starts before the market opens. If you open chart at 9:15 without preparation, the market will control you. A pre-market routine does three things: clear emotional noise, sets trading boundaries, prevents impulsive decisions. Discipline is built before price starts moving. This routine is for beginners, part-time traders, anyone struggling with discipline. If you're looking for tips, predictions, guaranteed profits, this video is not for you. This is about process, not excitement. Before I open any chart, before I look at news, before I even think about trading, I check my mindset. I ask myself three simple questions. Am I calm? Am I mentally tired? Am I trying to recover a previous loss? Because here's the truth: the market does not punish bad analysis first, it punishes bad emotional states. If I feel irritated, rushed, or emotionally heavy, I already know one thing: today is not a day to be aggressive. No setup in the world can fix a bad mindset. So, mindset check comes before everything else. Next, I review yesterday's trades, not judge myself, not to feel proud or guilty, only to check rule discipline. I ask, did I follow my rules? Did I overtrade? Did I respect stop loss? I don't care if I yesterday profit was a loss or profit. What I care about is this: was I disciplined? If discipline was weak yesterday, today I automatically reduce risk, or I don't trade at all. Yesterday's behavior decides today's aggression. Now I look at the overall market context, not to predict, not to guess direction, only to understand environment. I check, is the market trending or ranging? Where are major support resistance zones? Is volatility high or low? Beginners lose money because they trade against the environment. I don't fight the market, I adapt to it. Context tells me how careful I need to be today. I don't trade news, but I respect news risk. I quickly check major economic events, RBI announcements, expiry days, high volatility sessions. If uncertainty is high, my rules automatically change. Lower quantity, fewer trades, or no trading at all. Avoiding unnecessary risk is also a skill. Discipline means knowing when not to participate. Now I prepare my watch list. Not 20 stocks, not 50 stocks, just 3 to 5 clean instruments. I look for clear structure, clean levels, good liquidity. More choices create more confusion. Fewer choices create clarity. My goal is not to find opportunities. My goal is to avoid bad ones. Before the market opens, I decide one thing very carefully: which setup am I allowed to trade today? One setup, one logic, one behavior. If that setup does not appear, I don't trade. This rule alone saves beginners from overtrading. Discipline is not about taking more trades, it's about restricting yourself. Now I predefine my risk. Before emotions enter the system, I decide maximum risk per trade, maximum loss for the day, maximum number of trades. These numbers are fixed. I don't change them after losses. I don't increase them after wins. Risk is decided in a calm state, not inside a live trade. Beginners fall in love with entries. Professionals obsess over exits. Before the market opens, I clearly define where I will exit if I am wrong, where I will book profits, when I will exit early. If I don't know my exit, I am not allowed to enter. No exit plan means emotions will decide, and emotions are expensive. This step is extremely important. I remind myself today may be a no trade day. Lessons are part of the business. I don't need to trade daily. Expectations create pressure. Pressure creates mistakes. When expectations are low, decisions quality becomes high. No trade is also a valid trade. 5 minutes before market opens, I step away from the screen. I don't stare at a price movement. I breathe. I reset posture and focus. A calm body creates a calm mind. When the market opens, I'm not excited. I'm not anxious. I'm ready to execute, not chase movement. Well, if you think you're liking the subject which I'm teaching right now, you can subscribe and follow me on my next video.